Hi, welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery on this 2016 Lexus IS350 is right here under the hood. It's not too difficult to get to, but like most modern automobiles, there's a couple of things you'll need to be familiar with before you attempt to replace it. So for that reason, we always recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in this vehicle. Now here's how it's done. The first step is to loosen the fastener for the battery hold-down bracket, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the hold-down bracket. Next, unlock the cable fastener and slide the cable fastener away from the plastic hold-down cage. The next step is to attach a host battery or a 12-volt power supply to the battery cables. And this will keep the computer's memories alive while we're replacing the battery. Next, loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Now we can remove the battery's plastic cage and the old battery. And then reinstall the replacement battery and the plastic cage. Now we can reinstall the plastic cable retainers and the hold-down bracket. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. Now we can remove the connections to our host battery. Reinstall the battery terminal protective plastic covers. And we're done.